In the last video, we went over 3-digit subtraction with regrouping. Right now, we're going to go over an example doing the same thing but with change. All right, here's our example. Heather and Casey are comparing the amount of money in each of their piggy banks. Heather has 192 cents less than Casey. Casey has 708 cents in her piggy bank. How much money does Heather have in her piggy bank? Show your thinking. All right, we are going to use the expanded form method today. I'll go ahead and set it up for you, and then we'll use that method. So right now, we know that it's 708 cents in Casey's piggy bank. Okay, it says it right here. And we know that this is going to be a subtraction problem because there was a clue here, a clue keyword. It says Heather and Casey are comparing. Comparing is a clue word. The amount of money in each of their piggy banks. So we know that Heather has 192 cents less than Casey. So we're going to go ahead. We don't know how much Heather has yet, but we know that she has 192 cents less than Casey. So we're going to subtract that 192 cents to see how much Heather does have. So if we are looking at the problem like this, we're going to go ahead and change it into expanded form, which is just breaking it down into its hundreds, tens, and ones. So 700 plus no tens plus 8 ones. We are subtracting. We're going to put the 100 plus, and because it says 9 tens, that's equal to 90 and 2 ones. All right, we're going to subtract starting with the ones column. 8 ones minus 2 ones is 6 ones. All right, I cannot take 90 from 0. So I'm going to go over to the hundreds and borrow one or take one away. So this becomes 600. All right, which means I can give 100 to the 0, okay? So now I have 100, which is 10 tens, 100 minus 90, which is 10. That's just 10. And 600 minus 100 is 500. Okay, if I put it all back together, I scrunch it back together. 500, it's 110, 6 ones. That's cents. All right, now looking at it from just lining it up like this. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Now, when we did this thing where we took 100, I said take 100 and put it in the tens column. That's 10 tens, okay? I can't take 9 minus 0, so I have to take one of the hundreds. 700 becomes 600. Then that 10 tens is 100, so we're going to say that's 10, and we're in the tens column. 10 tens is 100. 10 tens minus 9 tens is 110. 6 minus 5 is 6 minus 1 is 5. 516 cents is what Heather has in her piggy bank.